Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So you might know, well, introductions first.
Oh, I'm Joe.
I'm Lisa, and we run this lovely space here on YouTube. And you might know that we have been doing recently a Come Dine With Me series. So welcome to November's edition. Right. So in the first edition, we had a chance to do the main dish, which we think was awesome.
It was a roaring success.
Yes. So this time around, we're going to be doing the pudding. Well, one of the desserts. Yeah. Somebody else is doing. But we're teaming up again with some awesome Jamaican YouTubers to make this happen just for you.
We'll show you their links. We'll put their links in the description box, as well as we'll put it on the screen here.
Right. Okay. So we hope you go over to their channel, say hi, show them some love,
and tell them we sent you.
Yeah, and then definitely come back to ours. So before we do anything else, shall we say what we're doing? We'll give you a hint.
We'll show you.
We're doing the pudding,
and it's all Jamaican based.
Right, doing Jamaican fruits. So let's go to the kitchen.
Okay. Guys, before we start, before we show you what we have in mind for our dessert, what are some of your favorite Jamaican fruits? Write it in the comments now. We're going to give you a second or two to type in the comment, what's your favorite Jamaican fruit? Just name one and see if your one will come up in the dessert section.
Right, so here's our idea. We're thinking all Jamaican fruits. So we've got June plums. We have in this one
Guava and
not guava, mango and papaya. They were frozen, and we're going to stew that. And then we're going to do a layer of guava juice with gelatin. So that's the idea. So in these lovely cups that we have, see-through, we're hoping to have the mango papaya layer here, and then just a nice pink see-through guava layer. No bits, just guava. And then on the top here, stewed June plum pieces. Mwah! I think it's going to be yum.
I think we need some nice long spoons for them to get to that bit at the bottom.
Yeah, we've got that. We've got that covered. So that's the plan. That's what we're going to be doing now.
So if I can get this. So mango papaya in the bottom, guava in the middle, and tangy June plum stew at the top. Yeah, that sounds good.
Mango papaya,
guava,
clear guava, and then stewed June plum. My mouth is watering, guys, just thinking of it.
Tell us in the comments which layer you think you'd prefer. Are you a mango person, a papaya person,
guava person,
guava,
or June plum?
We'll see.
So that's the mango and papaya being stewed now.
In its own juice.
In their own juice. So now we're going to be working on the June plum.
Oh, remember when our grandmother, Miss Lou, used to sell June plum?
And then when we were coming home from school from St. Jago, hot and tired off the bus, we stop in Linstead Market to go to Miss Lou, that's our granny. And she would peel us a June plum, put it in a bag.
So we used to eat off the profit.
Yeah. Sorry, Miss Lou. But that's the way it is. That's the way the cookie crumbled. And you know, with the June plum, it has some fibrous bits in. I'm going to try as much as possible not to get the fibrous bits into this dessert.
No, the fibrous bits are needed. That's
really
part of June plum. And the
so if anybody don't know June plum, this is what it looks like when you cut into it, and it has some, especially at the seed, I'm going to show you when we get to there, some hard stringy bits, tough hairy bits. So there. Right, so here's the stewed mango and papaya, and to me it's a little bit too sweet, so I want it to be a bit tart,
a bit tangy.
Yeah, just a bit tangy. I'm just moving it because it's smoking the lenses. So I'm just going to put some lemon juice in, and that will add to the tart flavor that we'd like to have.
Then are you going to gelatinize it?
Then I'm going to gelatinize it, and guys, that's enough. I'm happy that the gelatin that we were able to get is made from beef. So this is beef gelatin, not pig gelatin, not pork gelatin. We don't use pork products, and we're sure that a lot of our subscribers don't either. So we're very happy.
Dr. Upta's gelatin, which is beef.
We were happy to find that. So we're just going to gelatinize it now and then put it to cool. So I have my glasses here, or cups, whatever you want to call them, and I'm going to spoon in the bottom layer. Bring this one round so you can see it. Plop. Plop. So let's do 2 plops in each first. Then if there's more, and we want some of the yellow as well as some of the orange. So guys, the middle layer is getting ready. So I've just heated the guava juice, which is nice. I like the nice pink, and now I'm adding the gelatin to it, and then some cold guava juice. So that will do the setting. That's enough. So this now is going to just cool for a bit, and then I'm going to add it to our mango and papaya layer. Layer that up, and once that's set, then we add the June plum layer to the top. So that's it. Nice pink guava juice. So guys, the mango and papaya layer set, and now the guava layer is going to be poured on. And then that's going to be set. Don't want it filled right up, because remember we have the June plum layer to go on top, and then the surprise topping on top. Yeah, that looks so. Let's do each one. That's it. So that's the second layer. Here now, guys, are the ingredients for the June plum layer. So I've got June plum going in the pan. Ooh. And I'm going to add some sugar. I still want it to maintain its tartness, but I do want to add a little bit of sugar, so it will stew and be mellow. And then I'm only going to be adding little bits of water at a time. That's it, because it's going to produce some water on its own. So that's going on the heat now to cook, to stew down for a little bit. That's the June plum being stewed. Looking good. Smelling yummy. So the June plum is stewed enough now. It's soft and nice, and we're just going to put some cornstarch in to make it a nice smooth glazed look, and then some lemon juice. So that's the lemon juice in, and then this is cold water with the cornstarch. I'm going to turn the flame up a bit and then just add it in. And it's thickening.
It's going to have a nice glazed look, shiny, glossy look. So that's how you do it, guys.
So that's it, and then that's going to cool now. I'm going to put it some nice place to cool, and then add it to the top.
So this is the top layer.
The top layer.
Will there be a cherry on the top?
There'll be a cherry on the top and something else which is a surprise. So watch and see.
Guys, before we show you that cherry on top and the final presentation, here are some of our favorite comments from the last Come Dine With Me session. You know we love the comments, and you know we always acknowledge, so we're looking forward to the comments that you put this time.
So the last layer on now, guys, is the stewed June plum. So I'm going to add a spoon to each. It's firmly set, by the way, guys. Look at this. So not moving. Perfect. Perfect. So some in that one. That one, and that one, and the last one, and then the decoration for the top of each is one cherry, one cherry, one cherry, another cherry, and then just a sprig of mint from my garden. And that's that. So we're just going to put them back into the fridge now and leave them to chill until our guests arrive.
Guys, I hope you don't forget. Please do check out these 3 awesome male Jamaican YouTubers. Check out their channel. Do subscribe. We'd love that you share the love around. We know you love us, and we know too that you'll absolutely love them. So do check out their channels. Watch their Come Dine With Me special. Do give their video as well a thumbs up. And also, please remember to share. Thank you so much. Hope you're having a good time. And tell us, if you had to choose one Jamaican superstar to share this meal with, who would it be? Type it in the comments.
That was delightful. We liked the look.
Yeah.
I think they like it as
well.
And it's yummy, so we think that they're going to like it. So all we have to do now, all we have to do now is to get changed, get ready for them to come dine with us. See you there.
Guys, while you wait for our guests to arrive, here's a little trivia question for you. We mentioned that this series is dedicated to our grandma. What's her name? Okay, type fast in the comments. Name one other YouTuber who is in this month's collab. Come Dine With Us collab. Name one person whose comment was featured here from the last Come Dine With Me. Okay, of the fruits that featured in our dessert, which one is your favorite? Okay, this bonus question is worth 10 points. If we invited you to come dine with us, would you come? Well, remember about the color when I go down the water.
So, yeah, we're on the apron.
You take over yourself?
Yeah.
So, the intro about the apron?
Yes, let's go to the kitchen. Let's go right to the kitchen.
Watch out!
The hell!
Yeah, I'm going to clean that. That just made a little bit of a mess. But I'm going to clean that because we want to see nice distinct layers. Let me bring this one round so you can see it. Plop. Plop. So let's do 2 plops in each first. Then if there's more, and we want some of the yellow as well as some of the orange.